Hello everybody, welcome back to Cheesy Techie video, and today I bought something on LTTstore.com. Not sponsored. As you can see, this closed package which comes in my letterbox. As you can see, here are the things that I purchased. Well, the first time I bought on LTTstore.com, it doesn't make into a video because the size that I bought is wrong, and also I informed the LTT's store.com like, oh, can you send me the new shirt sizes, all these, because of the size is all mainly US sizing. US sizing and Asian sizing are not the same. So as you can see, here is the things that I bought on lttstore.com. Blank shirt, the sticker pack, which is yeah, V-neck shirt. I don't know if fits nice on me. And wash crew neck sweatshirt, t-shirt, which I will show you in a bit. Let me just firstly unbox it. Alright guys, here is the list on what I bought. The blank t-shirt, short sleeve, wash crew neck sweatshirt, which is basically like our this looks like jacket to be honest. Not a hot dog v-neck stretch t-shirt, which is this one. Northern Lights t-shirt, which is this, and blank t-shirt, which is like a dark green, army green. And we have the 2022 sticker pack, I guess, from what I remember. And here is the crew neck sweatshirt. I'm going to unbox and do a test fit on myself. Ow. I'm gonna do a test fit on myself, see how it goes. Okay guys, so I wore the hot dog one with the v-neck, but I can see the chest here, but I wear it over it because I don't make it too dirty. So far this shirt, oh my god, it's touching over it's almost showing. Yeah, it's gonna be very embarrassing wearing outside. So I don't know, I will refund this. I guess I will let lttstore.com email to refund this, so we'll email it to see how it goes. Here's the wash crew neck sweatshirt, the charcoal color, and I'm wearing medium. This is US medium, so, and it's considered as Asian size S or M, I guess. So you see, it's not bad actually. Damn, this is nice. Nice shirt, and this is basically like jacket, to be honest. I don't know if I'm right or wrong, but you can comment down, criticize me, whatever you want. I don't give a crap. So yeah, I will still keep it. This is worth, I don't know how much. I will put here. Yeah, let's move on to the shirt. Okay guys, I'm now wearing the blank t-shirt, short sleeve. This is the olive color, and as you can see here, right, it fits me quite well. I have the vanilla kind of color that I wear for a few months right now. It's coming a year already. I don't know, I forgot what's the color already, so I will just leave some in the notes here. And this is the pocket t-shirt on lttstore.com. Right now they no longer sell it already because it already discontinued. This is almost like a dark blue kind of color. So yeah, pants wise that I bought through lttstore.com, this is the premium pants, and I think it's M size from what I remember. This is the lounge pants that I got lttstore.com again. No longer sell already on lttstore.com anymore. I made some alterations so that it fits on me. Initially when it comes, right, it's damn fucking loose. So I asked LTT store. I don't know who is the customer service donor officer. I don't remember already. I asked for different size. They say no longer stock already. So I asked them, oh, they will refund for me this. So that's the first purchase that I got on lttstore.com, and that is the second lttstore.com purchase that I bought. So now the last one is to wear this Northern Lights shirt, the famous Northern Lights shirt that LTT always shows. Alright, time to change up. This is the Northern Light t-shirt, famous with the graphics on the front. Luckily there's no LTT logo. No offense to them, I don't want to let people in the public that I'm I'm a fan of LTT. I just want to keep low profile. Alright, now is the sticker pack. This is 2022 set from what I remember. So here it is. Here's the stickers, which is free when you buy some merch from their website. So here it is. LTTstore.com merch. So right now I have already asked for the return request. I haven't go check my email. And here's the price that I actually paid. I got some discount because of because of the offer what BMSM clothing from the holiday loot drop on LTTstore.com, which is happened from November 6 to 26, and I was a lucky guy. I got some discounts. So this is the London Lights t-shirt for $24. Actually, this is Canadian dollars. So and this bonus is which is free when you purchase something from them. It's the Northern Light wash crew neck sweatshirt, blank t-shirt. The only t-shirt is like kind of like a Arby's color. So wash crew neck sweatshirt, $48. That is okay. And firstly, the material is kind of similar to the deep dye hoodie that I currently daily using it. And the Northern Lights t-shirt, I think they bring back already. I think last time they don't have, but anyways. Excuse the mess. And if you like this unboxing of this LTT merch that I purchased, do consider subscribe to this channel, and I probably will buy from their website again. I'm not too sure, but the NKBHD one is kind of looks convincing in my radar already with the new merch that Marquez has launched, and I'm not too sure when I will purchase it. But that's it for this video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't checked out my gaming channel, which I film trains and gaming content, but some AC stuff soon, I'm not too sure because I kind of procrastinated for a while and school stuff happening. Do consider check out at the top right hand corner train content ever since after the C151 retirement. It's getting boring. Well anyways, that's it for this video and I catch you guys next time. Bye bye!